Marty, look.
Hello, welcome again. Spanish contains around 4,000 terms of Arabic origin, and basically because many years ago Spanish was conquered by Arabs. I think it's in 711 AD.
Bienvenidos a Go to UK. Mi amigo y yo hoy vamos a enseñaros palabras del árabe que son muy similares en el español.
I know a few Spanish words like me llamo Sayed. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Martí.
Oh, encantado. Sí.
Not bad.
Yeah, bienvenido Go to UK. Is that right? Yeah. Alright guys, so let's find out these words and I'll show you like all the Spanish words and then we will translate it in Arabic and English. Let's see. So the first word is rise. So let's find out how they say it in Spanish and then I'll say it in Arabic.
In Spanish we call it arroz.
Arroz. We call it arroz in Arabic and they call it
Arroz.
arroz.
1, 2, 3. Oil.
Zait.
Aceite.
Alright.
Olives.
Zaytun.
Aceitunas.
Oh, see? Similar.
Similar.
Money.
We said dinar. Dinar.
We say dinero.
Oh, it's almost similar. Dinaro, you say.
Yeah, dinero.
Alright.
Pillow.
Al-Mukhadda.
We say almohada.
Oh, it's almost similar. Okay, what else?
Jag.
Jarra.
We call it
Kharra, you call it kharra.
jarra, yeah, jarra.
Kharra, jarra. It's almost the same.
Guitar.
We say guitar.
We call it guitarra.
Guitarra.
Yeah.
Jeans.
We call it baltalon.
Ooh, it's like me. Pantalones.
Oh, baltalon.
Shirt.
Shit. In Arabic we say kamis.
We say camisa.
Kamisa and kamisa.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
Alright, what else?
Sugar.
Sugar, we say sukkar.
We say azúcar.
Huh?
Azúcar.
Sukkar.
Azúcar.
Sugar.
Azúcar.
That's almost the same. We say sukkar.
Until.
Hatta.
We say hasta. Quite similar to
Hatta asta.
Not bad.
Not bad. Okay, what else?
Music.
Musiqa.
We said música.
Musica.
Yeah, that's it.
Musica. If God willing. I think, yeah. You say like, if God willing.
Give me more.
If God
If God willing. If God willing, like we say in Arabic, inshallah.
No, that's not the same.
Well, like hope, you know. فضحتنا
Ojalá. We say ojalá.
Okay, مرة فضحتنا. Okay, ما مشكلة. No bad. Okay. Okay. If we say like, okay,
Tell me.
if God willing, or like we hope something, you know.
God willing.
If God willing, yeah.
Okay.
So this is in English. But when we hope something, we say like, inshallah, we will do something.
Ojalá.
Yeah, how we say it. Okay. 1, 2. Yeah, one more thing. We said like something we hope to do in the future. We said like, inshallah. So
We said ojalá.
Ojallah.
Yeah.
So inshallah coming from inshallah, and they said ojallah.
Yeah.
So
That's it.
I hope you enjoyed this interview with my Spanish friend, and don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this
Video.
video. Alright, see you there.
Bueno familia, espero que os haya gustado el vídeo, no olvides darle me gusta y no olvides suscribiros a Go to UK para no perderos más vídeos de estos.